welcome back to my channel. My name is Cuban Linda. For those who are new, welcome to my channel. And today I have a different type of video, and this video is a very fun one. I just came from the Asian market and I would like to try some of these Asian products with you guys. It was wrapped like this, guys. I don't know. It comes with this Asian paper. Look at this. Do you see these Asian letters? Isn't that nice? Cool. I like their Asian culture. Okay, I have this peach flavor Ramune soda. This is a peach one. And this is a Hawaiian blue. They were very inexpensive. They were $1.79, so. I also have the Sumiyaki coffee candy. And then their ingredients are in the back. It's like a coffee flavor candy. I also have these Little Koalas Marchi strawberry cream flavored. I've tried these before and these are really good. This is a product from Thailand. This is from China. These are Chinese. And these soda pop drinks are Japanese. And this, I don't know how these are gonna taste. These are shrimp crackers. And this is from South Korea, product of South Korea. Yep. So, which one should I try first, guys? Let's try the shrimp. Here goes nothing. Woo! Smells fishy. Ugh. Smells like fish. Mmm. Not bad. They taste really good. It tastes like a regular potato chip, but with a fishy taste, like shrimp. This was $1.29, so not bad. This is really good. Really good. I'm gonna taste the peach flavor. How do you open this? Oh, the instructions are good. Or in English. It says to push it down here. Oh, look how cool. Ooh. What is this? Oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. You have to open the thing, push the thing, and then when you don't want anymore, the thing goes in the bottom. Cool. Mmm. Tastes really good, guys. Like real peach. This is really good. Okay, so how do you close it? Hold on. I don't know. I don't think I opened that right. Okay. The next thing I want to open is the coffee. The coffee candies. They have a lot of these, but I just bought these snacks because if you guys like these types of video, I'll go back to the Asian store and get one. You see it says Sumiyaki coffee candy. Hopefully you guys like this video and comment. Let me know you guys like this type of video. Thumbs up. Hey, stop. Oh, wow, look at this. It says Chung Guang. It says some Chinese letters on the candy. That's good. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like I have a piece of Starbucks coffee in my mouth. Very good. Give it a 10. I'm gonna drink some of this. We could drink the last one. Let's see if we can open it. We can't open it. I still have the candy. Okay guys, the next one is this Koala March strawberry cream. Yeah, I still have that coffee. It says here on this thing, cut the top and the bottom of these flaps. Nice koala photo cards await for your collection. So I think this is part of a koala collection, which that's not bad. Look how cute they come in. And a little pink. That's it. You can taste them. You can smell the pure strawberry. Let's see. Wow, they're so cute. Look how cute. It's a little pink koala. I'm gonna bite the head. There's cream inside. I like everything about it in. Well, they're not the same. Let me see if there's some. Oh no, they're different. They're all different types of koala. This is an astronaut. And this is like a little parrot koala. A lot of strawberry. This is really good. This is really good, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. I really like these shrimp. These are really good. So if you see these shrimp, buy them. The strawberry koala, the coffee candy, the peach pop soda, and the Hawaiian blue pop soda. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. If you would like to see more of these Asian tasting videos, let me know. Bye guys.